Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.